Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agarwal and in today's episode I will be showing you how to grow tuberose from the bulbs most easily at home without any efforts, and with least efforts you can grow tuberose easily. And this is the pot that I have grown some of the flower plants earlier. Once the flower plants are spent, I have uprooted them, and now this soil I am again using. This soil already contains compost. If you want, you can take 30% compost and 70% garden soil, and in that you can add around a little bit of bone meal that contains lots of nitrogen and phosphorus. And this is the soil is my ready. And now time to place these bulbs. These bulb kinds of bulbs are available in the nurseries around 10 inch, and you can see already sticks are coming out from here. And in 10-inch pot I am growing around 3 bulbs here, and in 6-inch pot one bulb or two bulb will be fine for 6-inch pot. And now already one is again left, so I will be showing this one again in this 10-inch pot, and they will be sprouting again, already sprouted, and they will grow stick and the flower. Within 2 months you will see the flowering. Just bury the all the bulbs around up to the neck position soil, and you don't have to take much care. Only thing you have to keep in mind, you have to water it regularly and keep it in full sunlight area. This is the two criteria. If you maintain, and you can get flowers. You don't have to fertilize much because already these have already compost is there, so I am not adding any compost further. If you want, you can add little bit of compost and let it grow. And one thing I tell you, whenever you grow this tuberose, just collect. And after sowing the bulbs here, growing the bulbs here, I am applying water. And this is the water sprinkler that I made with some old used bottle with some holes at the lid position. So this is the all, and I will keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, 3 to 4 days, and then I will keep it in full sunlight, and I will show you all the results. One thing I tell you, whenever you grow, you stick, you grow the double variety, because they blooms beautifully, and though they are not scented, but they sticks stays around more than 1 month. And if you single sticks, they stay around 20 days. So this is all. Let them grow, and I will show you the results. This is the result after 40 days. You can see these sticks are coming out beautifully, and let them bloom. Welcome back friends. After 60 days you see the sticks are ready to be bloomed here, and the flowers have already started opening up. You see, this is the all double variety, and in 2 to 3 days time you will see the all the flower will bloom beautifully, and the already scents are coming out from here, beautiful fragrance of this. And in this is the two, and this small pot also, this is also small stick is coming out. And now I am tying a string here, so with a stake, so that the stick doesn't fall down. Once they fall down, they make break the stick. So this is only here. And if you want, you can apply fertilizer. Many of the friends ask me what fertilizer should I give. If you at all needed any fertilizer, then you can add some little bit of bone meal powder. This bone meal powder, 1 teaspoonful of bone meal powder once in 15 days will be enough, because this contains lots of nitrogen and phosphorus. Whenever you grow any bulbous, any flower plant, you must apply some of the nitrogen and phosphorus source, that will grow beautiful sticks, lots of sticks. If you want, you can add it. And if you don't want bone meal, then in place you can add rock phosphate or super phosphate. This is also equally good. Rock phosphate is very cheap, and you can add half teaspoonful once in 15 days, and that will be nice for growing this bone meal is nice for this growing this tuberose. So this is all. Now whenever you apply fertilizer, just add a little bit of water and keep it in full sunlight area, and they don't need much of the care. They are not attacked by the insects, mostly not attacked by the fungal or bacterial infections. So this is all. Just buy some of these bulbs from nearby nurseries, maybe 10 rupees or so. If you buy 2 to 3 bulbs, and they are perennial plants. Once you grow this, and year after they will start giving you the sticks. This is all, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.